Countdown is a well-established tactic for creating urgency and influencing customer behavior. Studies by Justuno show that urgency can double the engagement rate and purchase decisions. Countdowns trigger the fear of missing out psychology, encouraging shoppers to act quickly to secure a desired product before the time runs out. And FoxKit's cart countdown helps you create that sense of urgency by displaying a timer on your cart. Welcome to FoxKit tutorial by FoxEcom. In this video, we will guide you through setting up a cart countdown using FoxKit.
Your store needs to stand out and tell your brand story right. And it's never easier to level up your pages with Foxify. Design fast with stunning and high-converting templates of any page type. Create and use customizable Foxify sections anywhere on your page, anywhere in your store. Translate your pages to multiple languages instantly right in Foxify. Ensure your pages are performing at their best by receiving data about your customers. Grow massive sales without using third-party apps. And create pages that convert with advanced tools. It's not just the tool. FoxEcom team is behind it all. Your success is our priority. Foxify, build right, win high.
Now, let's get back to setting up our cart countdown. To start, make sure you have your FoxKit theme helper enabled to let the app work well with your theme. Then, in your Shopify admin panel, navigate to Apps, then click on FoxKit. This will open the FoxKit settings dashboard. Look for the cart countdown feature on the FoxKit's power list. There, you'll find an option to enable or disable the feature. Set it as active. By default, the feature shows on the cart page. If your theme also has a cart drawer, you can enable the feature there too. Set the desired duration for your countdown timer between 1 to 10 minutes. And customize the text displayed alongside the timer. This could be a simple "Hurry, these products are limited," or something more specific to your brand. By default, the feature will be displayed before the cart items. However, if you want to add it elsewhere to your cart, you can use the code snippets provided to add it to your themed file. When you're happy with the settings, hit Save. Experiment with different timer durations and messaging to see what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing can be a valuable tool for optimizing your cart countdown for maximum impact. If you have any questions about FoxKit or the cart countdown feature, feel free to leave a comment below or drop us a message via our in-app live chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Shopify and e-commerce content. Thanks for watching.